Good afternoon, class. Okay, so today we will be starting the first exercise of linear equation in one variable. Okay, so the first question in linear equation and one variable is x minus 2 equal to 7. We have to find the value of x minus 2 is equal to 7. Now what we will do in these type of questions, we will keep the variables on one side and the constant of the other on the other side. The variable, यहाँ पे variable है x is variable and 2 is constant, so we will keep the variable x on one side and we will take the constant minus 2 on the other side. X, when we will move minus 2 on the right hand side, it will become plus 2, so 7 plus 2 x is equal to 9. So what we have to do, we have to keep the variables on one side and the constants on the other side, and then solving the equation x minus 2 is equal to 7, x will become 9. The second question, y plus 3 equal to 10. Again variables को हमें एक साइड पर रखना है and we have to put the constant on the other side. Now here variable है y and the constants are 3 and 10. जब मैं 3 को right hand side पर shift करूंगी it will become minus 3. So y is equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. Okay, the third question, 6 is equal to z plus 2. Now the variable in this question is z and the constants are 6 and 2. Again what we will do, we have to keep the variables on one side and the constants on the other side. So I can move the variable z, I can take z on the right hand side and I will move the constant 2 on the left hand side. When I will move the constant 2, it will become minus 2 is equal to z. So z is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. Okay, now fourth question. Fourth question is 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. Again मुझे variables एक तरफ रखने हैं and I have to move the constant on the other side. यहाँ पे x is the variable and 3 by 7 and 17 by 7 are the constant. So I will move 3 by 7 on the right hand side. If I move 3 by 7 on the right hand side, its sign will become negative or its sign will change. 17 by 7 minus 3 upon 7, that will be equal to 14 upon 7 and I can reduce 14 upon 7 as 2. Okay, the next question, the fifth question, 6x is equal to 12. Now here the variable is x, I have to find the value of x. Now the first method, what I can do, I can divide this whole equation by 6. If I divide this equation by 6, 6x upon 6 is equal to 12 upon 6. The 6 and 6 will be cancelled out, so x is equal to 12 upon 6, that is 2. Or what I can directly do is, or I can directly move 6 to the denominator, or I can cross multiply 6 to the denominator. So x will become 12 upon 6, that is equal to again 2. So there are two methods. Firstly, I can divide 6 on both the sides. This 6 will get cancelled out and the answer will be 12 upon 6, that is 2. Okay, the next question, sixth question, t upon 5 is equal to 10. Now I can cross multiply 5 to the right hand side. So t will become 5 into 10, that will be equal to 50. Okay, the seventh question is 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Now again I have to calculate the value of the variable x. I can cross multiply 3 which is present in the denominator of left hand side to the right hand side, so it will become 2x is equal to 18 into 3. Now what I can do is, again I can divide the equation by 2. I can write 2x upon 2 is equal to 18 into 3 whole upon 2. Now this 2 will get cancelled out and I will get 2 9s are 18, so it will become 3 into 9, that is 27. Or what I can do is, I can cross multiply 2x is equal to 18 into 3. Again, I can cross multiply this 2. I can take this 2 to the denominator. It will become x is equal to 18 into 3 upon 2. That will be equal to 27. So the answer will be same in both the cases. Okay, the next question. The next is the 8th question. 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. Now here y is the variable. I have to calculate the value of y, and 1.6 and 1.5 are the variables. Again, what I can do is, I can cross multiply 1.5 to the LHS. So it will become 1.6 into 1.5 is equal to y. So the value of y will become 1.6 into 1.5, that is 2.4. Or else what I can do is, or I can solve this question as, I can multiply 1.5 on both sides. If I multiply 1.5 on both sides, it will become 1.6 into 1.5 is equal to y upon 1.5 into 1.5. Again, the answer is same. This 1.5 will get cancelled out, and the value of y will become 1.6 into 1.5, that is 2.4. Okay. Now the next question, 9th question. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Now here x is a variable. Again, मैं वेरिएबल्स को एक साइड पे शिफ्ट कर सकती हूँ एंड द कॉन्स्टेंट्स विल रिमेन ऑन द अदर साइड. सो मैं शिफ्ट कर सकती हूँ -9 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. इफ आई शिफ्ट -9 टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इट विल बिकम +9. सो 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. 7x will become 16 plus 9, that is 25. So now what I can do is, I can divide 7 on both the sides. 7x is equal to 25. I can divide 7 on both the sides. So x will be equal to 25. These two 7s will get cancelled out. So x will be equal to 25 upon 7. Or directly I can cross multiply this 7 to the denominator of 25. Or what I can do is, you can directly take 7x is equal to 25. You can directly 7x is equal to 25. You can directly take 7 to the denominator because this is 25 upon 1. So x will become 25 upon 7. Okay. The next question, that is 10th question. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Now what I can do is, I can shift -8 to the right hand side. If I take -8 to the right hand side, it will become +8. So 14y is equal to 13 plus 8, that is equal to 14y will be equal to 21. So y will be equal to 21 upon 14, that will be equal to, if I cancel out, it will become 3/2. Okay. Now the next question, 11th question. 11th is 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Now 6p is equal to 9. Now what I can do is, I can shift 17 from left hand side to the right hand side. If I take 17 to the right hand side, its sign will become changed. So plus 17 will be converted into -17. So 6p is equal to 9 minus 17, that will be equal to 6p is equal to -8. Again, p will be equal to -8 upon 6, that will be equal to -4 upon 3. If I reduce it, it will become -4 upon 3. Okay, now the last question of this exercise, 12th question. X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Now what I can do, I can take +1 to the right hand side. So it will become x by 3 is equal to 7 upon 15. If I take +1 to the right hand side, its sign will become changed. So it will become -1. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1. I have to take the LCM 15. It becomes 7 minus 15. So x upon 3 is equal to -8 upon 15. Now what I can do is, I can cross multiply 3 to the right hand side. So x is equal to 3 into -8 upon 15. I can cancel 3 and 15. 3 5s are 15. So it will become -8 upon 5. Okay. So this is a first exercise of linear equation in one variable. Thank you all of you.